Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make enchiladas in an air fryer. Start by preheating your air fryer to 375 degrees F and preparing a simple filling of shredded chicken, cheese, and salsa. Warm tortillas briefly to prevent cracking, then fill, roll, and arrange seam side down in the basket. Spray lightly with oil, top with more sauce and cheese, and cook until bubbly and crisp, flipping if needed for even browning. Gather ingredients and prep everything before cooking to streamline the process. Shred your chicken finely and mix with cheese and a few spoonfuls of enchilada sauce so fillings stay moist but not runny. Chop onions and cilantro and choose corn or flour tortillas based on preference. Warm each tortilla briefly to prevent tearing and have cooking spray and extra sauce ready to assemble and finish in the air fryer. Assemble enchiladas with care, placing 2 to 3 tablespoons of filling per tortilla and rolling snugly to maintain shape while cooking. Place them seam side down in the air fryer basket with small gaps so air circulates and crisps evenly. Cook at 375 degrees F for about 8 to 12 minutes until the edges are crisp, then open the basket, add extra sauce and cheese, and return briefly until cheese melts and sauce bubbles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.